Well, I'm gonna put together this rock and play. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'll give you my review as a first-time dad. I've never put this together or anything. They say it's one of the things you should have, so I'm gonna open the box and read some of the directions, and I will walk you through on this video on how long it takes, how hard it is to put together, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm going to try putting everything on this video to help you out. Alright, I just took the stuff off. Looks like most of it is actually together, which is nice. Little tip, when you're opening up the box has tape on it. Swipe the scissor or knife or whatever you're using to cut the tape off away from you. I did it towards myself and almost just sliced my finger. So just a little tidbit. All right, I'm going to read the directions and I will let you know. All right, so because the directions don't come in color, this with the little dot is on the outside. And then on this side, the aqua color one is on the outside, so you know which way to put those pieces. So I just built this base. Watch your hands when you do it, because you got to like really push down. So just watch your fingers. All right, I'm going to go on to the next step. All right, so I just put the insert in, which you do have to use a little bit of force. So the littler side, so this is, I guess, where the head would go. So the littler side is by the aqua, and the bigger side's back here. Your best bet to do when you're putting this piece on is to kind of close it so it's close together, and don't have it wide like it is currently. So that's my little advice on this. Let me get the rest of this on. Alright, so this step was pretty easy. Basically, you put the insert in. It has these things that come through on that are built in already. This is the infant pad, and then on the sides you put these things around the clips. I guess I should put this like this, make it look better. But so I'm almost there. I'm not sure what this clip is for yet. I'm sure. Oh, here it is. So I guess this clips to that. I guess I know that probably clips somewhere. I don't know. I got a couple more steps here, so it's been easy so far. If I wasn't making the video, I would say this could be done in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just making the walkthrough video. So, all right, so let me continue with this, and I'm almost done. I see there's something I got to plug in. So let me pause this, and I get. All right, so those clips that I was talking about, they actually go under. There it is. And it basically makes it so it's tight, and basically pull these down. So I guess if you don't have the auto rocker, I would believe you're done. But this one came with the auto rocker, so I'm going to install that, and I will be back. This is what the auto rocker looks like. It's just, I laid it on its side. Basically goes on the back left part. Really easy. This piece right here just comes out, and it goes around, and then you put these two screws in. So you just need a Phillips head. I'm going to install it. I'm going to plug it in and see if it rocks. Alright, so here it is. I plugged it in. Let's see how it works. This is what it looks like. Completely done. Let's hit the play button. Alright. So I guess it plays music and rocks, as you can see. So that's good. We know it works. Let's see what some of these buttons do. So I'm just pressing the minus button. Seems like it slows it up. Yep, that's the volume. Alright, let's see. That's like a rainforest noise. Sounds like it would make the kid pee. It sounds like water running. Alright, let's see what else we got. Music. Ooh, we got rain. Alright, a couple options. I hit the power button again and it just turned blue. I'm not sure what that did. But alright, so it works, which is good. And that was pretty easy. So if you're thinking about putting this together, it should only take 5-10 minutes. If you have the auto rocker, make sure you have a Phillips head. Other than that, I will say for putting on some of these pieces like this, you would probably want to just watch your hands, and some of it was kind of tight that I wouldn't have your wife do it. You're probably gonna have to do it yourself. I'm not saying you can't, I'm just saying she's pregnant. It's kind of hard, and mine was really tight for some reason, so I had to like kind of turn it, and the clip was really tight. So alright, so I will make a video when I'm putting together something else. Best of luck to you guys.